the debate is getting lively, but the majority leader is really getting it rough. Because first of all, now he's postulating that the laws of this country are being led by Torah, and he is now giving a Christian background to demonstrate that extrajudicial killing and the rule of kingship, that perhaps is even right, that the regime in which we are under is a kingdom led by the kings, and if you dare face the king, then you are banished or you die. Is that the position that the majority leader is espousing?
Majority, Honorable Sunkuli, what is out of order?
What is out of order, Madam Speaker, is that the Honorable Ichungwah, the leader of majority, needs to explain to us, maybe, because he's quite knowledgeable, of how the third option of going to heaven can be exercised without death. And also, Madam Speaker, to explain to us how Ezra, written 5,000 years ago, applies in a situation where democracy is now reigning. Because during the days of Ezra, there was only one person. That was God, and the other person was the king. Here, we have neither the king, and God is for us all. But I'm more interested in knowing whether he also believes that there is a way of going to heaven like the Holy Mary.
You've made your point. I don't know how you know who was there, but majority leader, continue.
Honorable Speaker, you know, now the Honorable Sunkuli is inviting me into a class of theology. And because I am a Christian, member number 39 of Gikambura District of the Presbyterian Church of East Africa, Reverend Musagitao PCA Church, I will invite the Honorable Sunkuli to my church during one of the cell group meetings, and I'll take him on a class on theology, so that he knows when the Bible speaks about the king is the Lord, not the earthly kings. And that also answers Honorable TJ. When the Bible speaks about banishment for the corrupt, for the sugar cartels,